July soybeans closed moderately lower, down 8.25 on Thursday, and well, it's kind of a mixed trade in that soybean market because the November soybean contract closed only down 2 cents. That is of note because there has been a really big reversal in the the July-November spread that we have between soybeans. We call that the old crop July and new crop November spread that had gotten almost to 30 cents of an inverse with the July trading over to November, and then all the way down to 14.5 at one point on Thursday, just in the last 3 days. And a lot of times analysts will look at that spread to kind of indicate the tightness in the cash market or what's left of that old crop between now and through the end of harvest. So it looked like there was, the market was trying to source some cash soybeans there. And it looked like that either happened or end users decided that they might maybe slow their production down between now and the end of, now in harvest. So a lot to be paying attention to there, but that break in the spread like that isn't necessarily a bullish factor for the market. A lot of times we call that bear spreading, so that is something to be watching for here the next couple of days. Also in that July soybean contract, you have a potential for a head and shoulders technical formation on the daily chart. That's something else to be looking for as well. We had our weekly export sales, and they were not good. They were below expectations of 61,000 metric tons for old crop. The trade guesses were 100 to 500,000 metric tons. We did also have 58,000 metric tons sold for next year's crop, which starts September 1st. The trade range there was 0 to 200,000. Finally, we had our July WASDE, that's World Agricultural Supply and Demand Estimates report here on Thursday. Really no big surprises. They left the old crop balance sheet unchanged with a 350 million bushel carryover. They left the new crop carryover unchanged at 295 million bushels. And they left all of South American production unchanged as well, even though earlier in the day, the Brazilian reporting agency, CANAB, increased both their corn and soybean production. So that might be something to look forward down the line. Either way, lots going on here with the soybean market. So stay tuned, everybody, and you stay safe.